morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus 5th chapter Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. Exercise 5.1. First one is which of the following statements are true and which are false? Give reasons for your answer. Okay, first one is only one line can pass through a single point. So we are asked to find that this is true or false. Only one line can pass through a single point. So there is a point. If you keep a point here, in this statement it is given that only one line can pass through it. Actually this is false. Why? Because there are infinite number of lines can pass through that single point. So that statement is false. There are infinite number of lines can pass through a single point. Okay. So the given statement is false. Then there are an infinite number of lines which pass through two distinct points. So if we have two distinct points, here in the statement it is given infinite number of lines can pass through. But when we connect these 2 points, only a single line can be joined. Only a single line only can be formed. Okay. So these two statements are opposite statements. Actually only one line can pass through two single points, and then there are infinite number of lines in single point. Okay, when 2 points are there, only one line can be formed, and in a single point, infinite number of lines can be drawn. Okay, then, so that is also false. Okay, so in the opposite it has to be, so this given statement is false. Then, a terminated line can infinitely on both sides. So there is a line, a terminated line, so that can be extended on both the sides. The terminated line can infinitely extended on both the sides. The question is infinitely extended on both the sides. This is true. So we can extend a line, a terminated line, a line segment can be extended on both the sides. If we have a small piece of line, that can be extended on both the sides. So that is true. If two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. So if you take two circles, so this is a circle in the same shape, in the same thing. If we have a circle, the radius of the circle is obviously it will be equal. So if we take this circle to be drawn with the radius 1 centimeter, the same 1 centimeter only will be there for both the circles. So this is also 1 centimeter and this is also 1 centimeter. So the given statement is true. That is, if two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. So this is also true. This statement is also true. Then if AB is equal to PQ. So here AB and PQ are equal. PQ is equal to XY. PQ is equal to XY. Then AB is equal to XY. So obviously this statement is also true. So this is by according to Euclid's first axiom. It is given that when equals are equated to one another, then they are equal. So with the help of that Euclid's first axiom, we can say that this statement is also true. Okay, so if AB is equal to PQ, PQ is equal to XY, then AB is equal to XY. Okay, so all these things will be using, these are the general things we know. Other than this, we used Euclid's statement also to give the answer for this. Okay, thank you.